Travel, the act of exploring new places, meeting new people, and experiencing different cultures. It's something that has fascinated humans for centuries and for good reason. Travel is not just about seeing new sights and ticking off bucket list. It's about so much more than that. We get so engrossed in our busy lives, we often forget to take a pause and let nature run by. So all we need to do is just sit back, relax, and hit that play button and enjoy. When we travel, we open ourselves to new perspectives and ways of thinking. We leave behind our everyday lives and immerse ourselves in the world that is different from our own. But travel isn't just about connecting with other people, isn't it? It's also about connecting with nature. And that's why so many of us find solace and peace in travel. It's a chance to leave behind the noise and distractions of the modern world and reconnect with ourselves, with the world around us, and with what truly matters in life. So whether you're chasing adventure, seeking cultural experiences, or just looking for some time to yourself, travel has something to offer to everyone, and that's why we love it so much. So get ready, pack your bags, for the world is waiting for you. Go, seize every moment, and make every memory count.